Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know that I haven't put any videos out, but guys, I've been dealing with a lot of things. So I wanted to get to Walmart to do the midweek deals because this was the last day to get them done. So I have 6 rebates that I need to get. So we're going to go in, guys. This is going to be an amazing haul. We have a couple money makers. We have some free items, and we're going to get some food, some personal hygiene things. We're going to get a mixture of a little bit of everything. We're also going to use our Shopkick app. We're going to use some paper coupons, or you can submit to coupons.com. You can print them from coupons.com or use your paper inserts. Totally up to you, whatever is easiest for you. And we're also going to use the Fetch app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my referral codes for all of the apps up so that if you have not downloaded those apps, go ahead and do so, because then we can help each other save, especially for Ibotta. We'll be on each other's team and we'll help each other reach the different goals and get extra bonuses. The very first time you snap a receipt for Fetch, you're going to get an extra 2,000 points, which is $2. And we use those points to buy gift cards to different stores, especially the stores that you coupon and shop at. So it'll be a way of actually recycling your coupon money. And then the same thing with Shopkicks. You can buy gift cards and, again, lower your out-of-pocket and recycle that coupon money over and over and over again. And then with Ibotta, you can have the money deposited into your checking account. You can get gift cards, or you can put it in your PayPal account. Whatever you want to do, whatever's easiest for you. So, guys, we're going to head on into the store. So get your phones ready so you can do some screenshots. Get your inserts out and get your apps ready, and let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, we are at our first item, and that is going to be on the Palmolive dishwashing liquid. Now, you want to make sure that you get the one that is 20 fluid ounce, and you want to make sure that you get the one that's the ultra strength. Now, at my Walmart, it says that it's $2.20, but some people's Walmarts is like $2.33. So everyone's price is going to be a little different depending on your area. So just make sure that you take that into consideration. But you're going to grab this for $2.20. You're going to use this 50-cent coupon. So that's going to take it down to $1.70 at the register that you're going to pay. But then you're going to also use the Shopkick app, and you're going to scan it and purchase it, and you're going to get a total of 240 kicks back. So that's going to be like 96 cents out of pocket. 96 cents that you're going to get back from Shopkick. And when you add the 96 cents up in the 50 cents, then that's like paying $1.46 savings. That's like getting $1.46 savings. So then you're going to pay $2.20. So guys, I can't even concentrate. Like, it's so loud in here. The music's loud, the people around me is loud, everything. Like, this is so crazy. But let me get this math for you correctly. So guys, after you submit this to Shopkick and use your 50-cent coupon, it's going to be like 75 cents out of pocket. So I think this is a great deal. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this. Now, this isn't an Ibotta deal, but that's fine because we're going to get our 6 deals from Ibotta. So let's go to our next. Okay, so the next thing we're going to get is some Oikos yogurt. And you can get any flavor. My store has strawberry, vanilla bean, peach, cherry. You can get any flavor that you want, but I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get the strawberry, and they're $1.06. And you're going to submit to Ibotta because we do have a 75-cent off rebate. But you can print this coupon off of coupons.com. You see, it doesn't expire until 8/15, so you have plenty of time. Okay, so if you're going to take off the 65 cents at the register, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta, and you're going to get 75 cents back from Ibotta. So this is actually going to be a money maker for you, free and a money maker. So this is actually going to be a 34-cent money maker for you. So let me go ahead and grab this, put it in the cart, and I'm going to move on to my next deal. Now just keep in mind, guys, that everybody's amounts in Ibotta are different. So I know I heard that some people have to purchase two, but I only had to purchase one. So that's a 34-cent money maker for me. All right, guys, so now we're at our next deal, and our next deal is going to be on the green Lipton tea, the citrus kind, and you see they are $1.98, but we're going to submit this to Ibotta for a $1.25 rebate. Now you have to make sure that you get the 64 fluid ounce, okay? So it's a $1.98. We're going to submit to Ibotta for a $1.25. which means we will be paying 73 cents for this nice size green Lipton iced tea. Alrighty, so next we're gonna grab some macaroni and cheese, and these are 98 cents a box, and we're gonna submit this back to Ibotta. Not this kind, not the Great Valley. We're gonna grab the Kraft macaroni and cheese. They're 98 cents a box. We're going to submit this to Ibotta, and we're going to get 10 cents back for this. So this would be 88 cents. This is a quick way to get your rebates, guys. So go ahead and grab your macaroni and cheese. Alrighty, guys. So our next deal is going to be on these Poise Ultra Thin Pads. I cannot believe that I finally found them. My store finally has them. So they're $8.72. So we're going to get 2 of those. That's going to bring our total to $17.44. Now, there is a paper coupon that you can use, $5 off 2, or you can print one from coupons.com, and that's $5 off 2, or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com and get the $5 off too. So you have 3 different choices of how you want to do that. Okay, I'm going to actually submit my receipt to coupons.com because I didn't bring my coupon because I really wasn't expecting them to have these. So on top of the $5 off coupon, when you use the $5 off coupon, that's going to bring your out of pocket down to $12.44. But we're going to submit this to Ibotta. And Ibotta actually has a glitch. They have 2 rebates attaching to this. One is $3 and one is $1. So we're going to submit that twice. So we're going to get a total of $8 back from Ibotta. Then we're going to submit to Fetch and get a $1.50 back. Fetch is going to give you 1,500 points, which is $1.50. So after your coupon and all of your rebates and things, you're actually only going to pay $2.94 out of pocket for 2 boxes of these. If that's not a good deal, guys, I'm not sure what is. So there you see, I have 2 in my cart, and we're going to move on to the next deal. Okay, guys, so our next deal is going to be a Shopkick deal as well as a Fetch deal, and we're going to use some paper coupons that we're going to print off of coupons.com, or you can just submit your receipt to coupons.com. So listen up, because this has to be a very specific deal. So you're going to grab 1 men's degree product and 1 woman's degree product. Now you have to grab like one of the bars, the massage bars, and then like one of the body washes and soaks, or like the Epsom salt or something like that. But you have to grab 1 of each. So you want to scan the big ones and then buy the little ones. So for example, you want to scan this one, but then buy this one. Okay, so I'm going to grab 1 of these. So this is the women's, and then I'm going to grab 1 of these. So this is the men's. Now let me show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to use this coupon, which I printed off of coupons.com, or again, you can submit to coupons.com. So that's going to work with this product, the massage bar. So the massage bar is $4.97. So I'm going to get $1 off of that. So at the register, I'm going to pay $3.97 for this. Actually, guys, this bar is $2.97. It's in the wrong spot. So we're going to scan the one for $4.97, but then we're going to purchase the one for $2.97. And we're going to use this coupon, so that's going to bring us to $1.97 out of pocket at the register, okay? Now, we're going to grab this men's body wash and soak, and we're going to use this coupon from coupons.com, which is $2 off, or you can submit to coupons.com, whichever you want to do. And this body wash is $5.47. So the total between the soap and the body wash should come to like $8.44. But then we're going to have these two coupons, which is $3. So that means at the register, we're only going to pay $5.34. But then you're going to submit to Fetch, and you're going to get $2 off of the body wash, and you're going to get $1 off for the soap, or vice versa. It's one of them. But then you're going to get a 50-cent bonus. So that'll be a total of $3.50 that you're going to get from from Fetch. And then you're going to submit to Shopkick. And between your scans and kicks, you're going to get $5.60 back. So altogether, this should be a $3.60 moneymaker. And that's if you have the Shopkicks and the Fetch rewards. So make sure that you have them. And remember, everyone's is different. So yours might be a little higher, yours might be a little lower. But either way, it's going to be a nice moneymaker, whichever one you have. Okay? So just make sure you get one men's and one women. Alrighty, so now I'm going to get the Dove men's soap. It is the 2-pack, and it is $2.97, but we're going to submit to Ibotta for 75 cents off, and that's going to lower our pocket. And so that means we're only going to pay $2.22 for this. So let's head up to the register. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab another rebate just in case the Poise glitch doesn't go through, just to be safe. So I'm going to get the Suave body wash. It's $1.88, but then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents off. So I'm going to pay $1.33 for this. I'm going to grab the cocoa butter. Oh no, this is coffee and coconut. I don't want that. Oh yeah, this is cocoa butter and shea. So you can get any one you want: milk and honey, coffee and coconut, cocoa butter and shea, sweet pea, cherry blossom, ocean breeze, any of them that you want. But they're $1.88, and then your 50-cent Ibotta rebate will bring it down to $1.33. So guys, this is everything that we're going to get. We're going to get the 2 Poise Pads, the macaroni and cheese, the Dove soap, the Greek yogurt, the Lipton tea, the Palmolive dishwashing liquid, the Degree body wash, and the Degree soap. So the Degree soap and Degree body wash, and then the Suave body wash. So guys, we should have a pretty nice haul here. I'm going to head up to the register, get everything paid for, submit my receipt to Ibotta, Fetch, coupons.com, and to Shopkicks, and then we'll see what our total out of pocket is. Okay guys, so we are back from Walmart. Let's go over our receipt, because I do have a surprise for you guys that I found on the way to the register. So the first items we got were the 2 Poise Pads. Then we got the Dove soap, the Degree, and you see the dollar coupon came off for the Degree bar. And then next was the Degree soap and body wash, and that came off with the $2 coupon. We have the Suave body wash. Then we have the Palmolive dish detergent. The 50-cent coupon came off of that. Then the Lipton tea. Now this is where the surprise comes in at. So we paid $1.38 for the Lipton tea, but then we got back 50 cents. On the way up to the register, I found some peelies. So these teas were located in 2 different places in the store. I got the tea out of the section with all the sodas, the teas, all the drinks. But then when I was on my way to the register, they had a bunch of them on the end cap near the school supplies. And those had 50-cent pillies on them. So we paid $1.98. We got back 50 cents from the pilly, and we got back $1.25 from Ibotta. So then that means that we got $1.78 off of this tea. So really, we only paid 21 cents for the Lipton tea. So that is a very good surprise. So if you're going to do the Lipton tea rebate, please make sure that you look for the pilly in the store. And then I got the macaroni and cheese for 98 cents. And you can see that the yogurt is deleted from here. In the video, I showed you guys the rebate and everything for the Oikos yogurt, but I end up grabbing the one beside it, which was not the Oikos yogurt, so I didn't get the yogurt. But I still was able to get my 6 rebates for Ibotta because of the Poise Pads glitching. So the total came to $31.89. You guys know we don't discuss tax because everyone's tax is different depending on what state, city, province, borough that you live in. So my tax was $31. My subtotal was $31.89. I got back $6.96 from Shopkick. I got back $5 from coupons.com. And the Shopkicks, the $6.96 from Shopkicks was for the Degree products as well as the Palmolive dish detergent. I got back the $5 in coupons from coupons.com for the Poise Pads, and then $15.60 from Ibotta, and the $4.50 back from Fetch. So that's a total of $32.06, which brings us to a 17-cent moneymaker. So I paid $31.89. I got back $32.06. So that means Walmart paid me 17 cents to purchase all of these items. So guys, make sure you go out, get your free items. Let Walmart pay you to shop. Don't forget to download Shopkick. Don't forget to download coupons.com. Don't forget to download Ibotta. And don't forget to download Fetch. But most importantly, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you like what you seen in the video and you plan on going out and doing some of these deals. Please comment below. Let me know which were your favorite deals, or comment below and just let me know if you've done the deals and how they turned out for you. But until the next time, keep on saving.